day.
There's apples under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
The market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it.
This video is sponsored by the award-winning Daily Market Movements trading platform. To open a live or demo account, simply visit dmmtradingplatform.com. Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the S&P 500 futures chart. Just before I start today's video, anyone who's interested in joining my free analysis group over on Telegram, then please do not hesitate to go ahead and give this QR code a scan. It's this one on your screens that you can see here. Go ahead and give that QR code a scan. As I mentioned, it's completely free of charge to join. But let's have a look at the S&P 500 futures chart. On Friday, we had a very interesting close, okay? We had a very negative session, a very negative week on the back of the Fed minutes, and of course the CPI reading, that coming a lot hotter than expected, which was 2 weeks ago now. And we went and pretty much tested the June 16th lows. You know, if the market was to bounce significantly from here, I think investors can easily argue that we did go and retest the June 16th lows. But the big question is, what happens now? Do we continue to fall lower or do we bounce? Now, if I had to guess, it would probably be a bounce due to the fact the RSI is now oversold. We've retested those June 16th lows. But of course, I do not have a crystal ball. But as I mentioned, my bias here is that we probably do see a bounce. I've been saying on YouTube for the past couple of weeks that the whole month of September is going to be horrible, and it's all about building into that first week of October. So one thing that I could potentially see happening here is that we may have a little minor bounce for the next couple of days, and then as we go into that first week of October, where historically October is the month where markets do tend to bottom the most. If I just actually share with you a chart that I posted in my group this morning, this is this is a chart which shows how many times the market has bottomed in each month. And as you can see, October is a prime winner here. 9 times dating back to 1932, the markets have bottomed in the month of October. So that's what I'm kind of expecting the S&P 500 to build up to here, an official market bottom in October. And that's what I'm hoping for. The first week in October, I'm looking for some sort of capitulation, and for that to happen, we would need to see the VIX trade aggressively above 30. We're now at around 32, which is not bad for the VIX at all. You know, we are kind of setting up for a nice rally here. You know, the previous 2 occasions when we were trading this high on the VIX, we did actually go and have a almighty rally. That was a June 16th lows, you know. The rest was history. We went all the way down to 20 on the VIX. So this is what I'm kind of looking for here. I'm kind of looking for a build-up here. You could even argue that we are kind of in a nice wedge pattern here for the VIX. So we could start to come down significantly, and hence the S&P 500 could see that nice bounce. But nevertheless, my bias is still that we have an almighty rally going into year end. I'm still very confident of that. I've been dollar cost averaging in since the August 16th highs here. So I've been buying everywhere. I bought just on the close on Friday, and my anticipation here is that we go and break above 4,300, which were the August 16th swing highs. Let me go and target, you know, perhaps, you know, 4,500, 4,600. But, you know, ultimately 4,400 is my end of the year target here for the S&P 500.
There's apples under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
The market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it.